feel like about
So,
how
how do you
being overcrowded and stuff like that?
how do you feel about adding more classes into Chafee?
I think that is a splendid idea, being that only a limited amount of classes are put out there on the list, and some students get left out, some students have late registration, so we need additional classes to accommodate
Ooh.
more students
All right.
and a bigger parking lot.
And a bigger parking lot. Appreciate it. How do you feel about adding more classes into Chafee?
I think that adding more classes into Chafee would be very beneficial to not only the students, but also the faculty. That'll give less impact on classes, especially certain majors like nursing or psychology that are very impacted, and that'll allow students to graduate at a faster rate because they're able to get all the classes that they need.
Gang. Gang.
Sit right there, that's money.
How do you feel about adding more classes into Chafee?
So, in adding more classes, I'm going to kind of attack this question a little bit differently from an aspect of knowing the direction that you're going into. Generally, one of the biggest things is when you come into a campus, whether it's community college, university, four-year, how you look at it, when the direction is not actually complete, sometimes classes are taken just because of the fact that you know that you have to take a certain class. And so having knowledge of the classes that you're going to take is also just as strong as bringing more classes on, because if you understand, for example, the IGETC, what we talk about in the Transfer Center, or completing the CSU Mentor, or understanding the fact that what does other institutions look for as far as their curriculum, if we're more geared towards the direction that we're trying to go to, from that aspect of it, I think it's a balance between either possibly adding more classes or being a little bit more focused as a student as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.